Let's interact with objects in XPress. Some of the most used features enable embedding objects into the whiteboard. This lesson will focus on how to insert using drag and drop. The first thing is understanding the drag and drop process. I'll demonstrate using basic shapes from the Symbols gallery. Select the Symbols icon. The menu expands to select a gallery. Tap to engage, then drag to size your object. The trick is if you select an object and nothing happens on the page, use drag and drop. I will demonstrate a few more examples where you use drag and drop to insert objects. The chart and gadget galleries are instructional favorites. Next, I'll demonstrate embedding a PDF document from my linked Cloud Drive account. Notice the object has its own menu after you embed it. I'll set this to foreground or full screen, and notice I still have access to all my toolbars. Lastly, let's look at the video player. I'm selecting a locally stored MP4 file, but the video player also supports YouTube links. Next, it's your turn to practice. When you feel confident, move to the next video lesson.